Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be making an orange loaf cake. It was my mom's idea. She wanted me to make a cake for somebody that she knows. So the recipe says you're supposed to put the orange zest, flour, baking powder, and baking soda together in a bowl and just set it aside. So that's what we're gonna do. I finally figured out how to use this scale. But I'm not gonna talk right now because I want the flour to get on me. But it's 180 grams of flour, or 1 1/2 cup of flour. So I like to do that so it's evenly in the bowl, or whatever this thing's called. I almost have it. I just need a little bit more. Yeah, that's better. It was a little too much. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So this is 1/2 teaspoon. So if that's 2 teaspoons, is 4 of this. This is what I have for the lemon zest. So this is, did I say lemon zest? I hope not. This is orange zest, not lemon. So you're just supposed to whisk everything together. So that's done. I'm gonna move it over here so it's not in the way. That's 4 ingredients. This thing has 10. So the next one is the butter and the sugar. Great. 150 grams. That's what we wanted. I melted the butter a while ago, but I think now it's cooled off by now. So I'm just gonna pour it in here and then add the sugar. The only thing that's really tricky is making sure both whisks are locked in. Sometimes that can be annoying, especially when it feels like it's locked in, but it's not. You see, this is what I was talking about. It does that sometimes. Okay, that's weird. Something's wrong with this outlet. Well, that's annoying and a waste of my time. But I'm not going to pretend to be happy about it. I don't trust someone who's like, wow, what an adventure this is. Like, really? I would rather see someone get annoyed than someone react like that. That seems too, like those... Okay, there is something wrong with this outlet grate. I don't know what happened to it, but it needs to be fixed. I'll try the top one. Yeah, the top one is better. Well, anyway, I'm done with that. So now I have to add 1 egg at a time. So I already cracked the eggs in the bowl because I don't know how to crack eggs. So next is the vanilla extract and a 1/4 cup of the orange juice. 1 teaspoon is like tiny drop. So what you do is you put the fruit in here, put it on this side. Yeah, get in, go. Go. This is so much better than using your hand. And I need a lot of orange juice for this because I don't know if I zested the lemon that much. Okay, so it's not quite 1/4, but you know, it'll have to do. So just pour that in there, then mix it again. Hooray. Okay. What am I missing? There's 2 more ingredients. Oh, but I add the eggs also. So yeah, not just the yogurt. It's always a good idea when you're using a whisk to leave it in water, or at least rinse it right away, because sometimes the stuff can get stuck on there. So half would be like, I guess that much. And I think this will be okay because it's lemon flavored yogurt and, you know, it's not chocolate, so maybe I should not have used a knife for this. Oh well. It's all gonna get blended anyway. Speaking of yogurt and stuff, it's not yogurt, but I made these muffins with blueberry. I'll show it to you guys after I finish this. So half the yogurt. What am I saying? Half the yogurt. Half the flour mixture and then the yogurt. Whew. And that's it. Yay, I finished. So I put all 10 ingredients. The best I could anyway. Let me show you guys what muffins look like. I don't want them to fall into that thing. The recipe for this, it was from an Instagram video, but the recipe for it was sour cream and of course other stuff, but yeah, they're really good muffins. I didn't make a video of that. I just made it, but I did take pictures, so maybe I'll put on Instagram. You see that? It's a very smooth batter. The unfortunate part is that this is for somebody, so I can't eat it. I guess people who work in bakeries and stuff, I guess they get used to that. So now I'm pouring this in. That's so annoying when the paper gravity just says nope. Well, I guess that's one good thing about the spatula. You can get everything out. And you get to smooth out the top. So that's always nice. So that's what I'm doing right now. And this thing is in the way. But for the most part, yeah, this thing is done. Also, speaking of this thing being in the way, parchment paper, is nice because you don't have to use spray, and also you can just lift it out of the pan when it's cooled off, which is always nice. So now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. That's what the recipe says. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.